Welcome to the Quick Start Guide for connecting BulkSMS with your ActiveCampaign account. In this video, we'll walk you through the setup step-by-step to get your integration up and running in no time. This guide is divided into two sections. Section 1, setting up the BulkSMS Integration Gateway to enable status reports and two-way messaging. And Section 2, connecting the BulkSMS action in your ActiveCampaign Automations. Let's get started. Section 1, setting up the BulkSMS Integration Gateway. Step 1. Log into the Integration Gateway. Go to the BulkSMS website. Click Login, then select Integration Gateway Login. You'll be redirected to the Integration Gateway page. Enter your BulkSMS account details and click Login. Step 2. Create your integration. Click Create New Integration. Give your integration a name. We'll use Demo in this example. From the dropdown, select ActiveCampaign, then click Create. Step 3. Link your ActiveCampaign account. Click Settings on your new integration to begin configuration. You'll need 3 items from your ActiveCampaign account: API URL, API key, event key. Step 4. Get your API credentials. In ActiveCampaign, go to Settings in the left-hand menu. Click Developer under Settings. Copy the API URL and paste it into the Integration Gateway's API URL field. Then copy the API key and paste it into the API key field. Step 5. Get your event key. In ActiveCampaign, click the logo at the top to expand the menu, then choose Website. Under the Manage section, click Site Tracking. Make sure Site Tracking is enabled. Scroll down to the Event Tracking section and copy the event key. Paste it into the event key field in the Integration Gateway. Click Test. All 3 fields should show a green border. You'll also see your organization name displayed. Under the Settings section, enter your default country code. Then, under the Activity Updates section, check the Enabled checkbox to start receiving status reports and replies. Be sure to click Save Settings once you're done. And that wraps up the Integration Gateway setup. Section 2. Connecting the BulkSMS action in your ActiveCampaign Automations. Step 1. Create a new automation. In ActiveCampaign, go to Automations. Click Create an Automation and choose Start from Scratch. Click Continue. Give your automation a meaningful name. For this example, we'll use BulkSMS Demo. Step 2. Set your trigger. For this example, we'll use Contact Makes a Purchase. Under Run, choose Run multiple times to allow it for recurring purchases. Step 3. Add the BulkSMS action. Click the plus icon below your trigger. In the action search bar, type BulkSMS. Choose BulkSMS 2.0 Send SMS. Step 4. Connect your BulkSMS account. Click Connect, then enter your BulkSMS username and password. You'll only need to do this once. OAuth will handle authentication from that point on. Step 5. Configure the SMS message. Under BulkSMS Integration Gateway, choose the integration you created in Section 1. In the From field, choose your sender ID. In this example, we're using Replyable. Select your country to set the default dial code. Dial code formatting options. Select Always if you're sending messages within a single country. If you're messaging multiple countries, choose Only Apply to numbers beginning with 0 to ensure proper format. Step 6. Compose your message. Start typing your message in the text box. Click the lightning icon to insert contact details dynamically. For example, choose Contact Full Name to personalize the message. Here's an example message. Click Finish to save your action settings. Be sure to click the Active button in the top right to enable your automation. And that's it. You've successfully set up your BulkSMS and ActiveCampaign integration. To explore more features, check out our BulkSMS ActiveCampaign Integration Features video. If you have any questions or encountered issues during the setup, feel free to reach out to our support team. Thanks for watching.